How to use Kneaded eraser. Kneaded eraser especially useful when you are doing charcoal drawing. Pick up those charcoal and remove it from the paper surface. Most people before this probably never heard about Kneaded eraser, and they probably never use a Kneaded eraser. They use the pink eraser. This is a medium size. You need to open it, right? Let me show you. Open this. Wow, 2 layers. Do they all have 2 layers?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, take the plastic off totally. And then you're gonna start first like a piece of clay, mold it and stretching it. After you stretch it, and then you can mold it in any shape. Like say, you just want a small line, you just mold it a very tippy shape, and you can lift up that very small gap, right? If you want to lift up a bigger shape, you just mold it in a bigger shape, like this kind of shape. You can just lift up a lot more area, bigger areas at once. So after you use it, you still need to stretch it. Keep stretching. And also when it's the weather cold and you leave it for a while, it harder and harder. After you stretch it for a few minutes, it will become soft, and then you can use it again. This is how we use the Kneaded eraser in a drawing. It's very important because sometimes we need to make the whole area, maybe even the whole paper, to be darker shade. And then you use this to return some area to be lighter shade. Sometimes we use that approach. So this is not just correcting mistakes. It is a drawing tools. You will use the Kneaded eraser to draw light shape. Use the charcoal to draw darker shape. This is the simple tip about Kneaded eraser.